Here are 3 things you can do with your hair topper to customize it to your own personal preference. This is the Aida topper from UniWigs, shown here in the color Truffle Brown. The first thing that I'm going to do is change the part. The Aida topper can be parted anywhere within this hand tag section. Second, I'll have to take this piece to my stylist to have a little bit of this length taken off so that it will blend with my bio hair, and to have the bangs trimmed. The next thing that you can do to customize your topper is style it to your liking. I'm going to use my curling iron and add a wave. I've gone ahead and changed the part on the Aida, and I've gone in with my curling iron to add a wave. The base size is quite large on this particular topper, and even though the base is quite large, it's got a nice light density in terms of the amount of hair. This topper is the 14-inch version. For comparison, this is my bio hair that's about 13 inches long, so this is quite a bit longer. That's so that you can take this topper to your stylist and have it cut so that it blends well with your bio hair. I'll probably have this cut to be just a little bit longer than my bio hair, maybe closer to that true 14-inch mark, so that as my bio hair grows a little bit, it will still blend nicely with the Aida topper. The really nice part about human hair is you can have it cut, you can have it colored, you can style it with your heat tools, curling iron, straightener, blow dryer, so that it really blends well with your bio hair.